Ginger is a popular root used in cooking, teas, and traditional medicine. Many people believe it's harmless and always good. But did you know there are ways of eating ginger that could hurt you? Today we'll explain when ginger can be risky, what to avoid, and how to enjoy it safely. 1. Why we use ginger? A brief reminder. First, ginger has many benefits. It contains compounds like gingerol and sugar, which act as anti-inflammatory agents. It helps reduce nausea, for example in pregnancy and after surgery, eases digestive discomfort, and may support heart health and reduce cholesterol. But good doesn't mean no risk. How you consume ginger matters. 2. Risk of eating ginger the wrong way. Here are common mistakes and dangers. 1. Too much ginger. Consuming large amounts, for example above 5 to 6 grams per day, can lead to heartburn, stomach pain, diarrhea, bloating, acid reflux. 2. On empty stomach or in a strong concentration form. Drinking very high-strength ginger shots or raw undiluted ginger might irritate the stomach lining, especially if you have ulcers. 3. Interaction with medications. Ginger has effects on blood clotting. It can thin the blood. If you're on blood-thinning drugs, for example, warfarin or aspirin, combining high doses of ginger could raise bleeding risk. It may also interact with blood pressure medications or with diabetes medications by further lowering blood sugar. 4. Sensitive people or allergies. Some individuals may experience irritation in the mouth, throat, or a rash. Rarely, allergic reactions may occur. 5. Problems in certain conditions. If you already have a stomach ulcer, gastritis, esophageal reflux disease, or bleeding disorders, high or improper ginger intake may worsen your condition. 3. What this way might mean. Common wrong practices. When people say, eat ginger this way badly, they often refer to 1. Taking ginger shots, very concentrated raw juice, every morning in large volumes. 2. Chewing raw large slices continuously. 3. Using extremely strong ginger teas or extracts. 4. Using powdered ginger supplements in high doses without medical advice. These practices can lead to the risk described above. 4. How to use ginger safely. Best practices. Here are guidelines to enjoy ginger without harm. 1. Stick to moderate amounts. For most people, keeping ginger intake to 3 to 4 grams per day is considered safe. Some sources recommend less when pregnant, about 1 gram. 2. Dilute or pair it with food or water. Use slices or small pieces in teas, soups, stews, or add to cooking rather than pure strong juice. This helps reduce harshness on the stomach. 3. Avoid on empty stomach. Eating ginger first thing on an empty stomach may irritate the digestive tract. Better to consume it along with some food. 4. Be cautious with supplements. If taking ginger in pill or extract form, check doses and consult health professionals, especially if you have existing conditions or on medications. 5. Watch for bad reactions. If you experience heartburn, nausea, bleeding, or any discomfort after ginger, reduce or stop and see your doctor. 6. Medical supervision when needed. If you have ulcers, bleeding or blood disorders, are pregnant, or take medications affecting blood pressure, blood sugar, or clotting, speak to a healthcare provider before large ginger use. 5. Latest research highlights. Here are new or interesting findings worth noting. 1. A recent study showed ginger may help control inflammation in autoimmune diseases by reducing a process called netosis in white blood cells. 2. Meta-analysis suggests ginger supplementation can decrease markers of inflammation like CRP, IL-6, TNF-α in adults. 3. Researchers warn about the risk of concentrated ginger shots because the strength and dose can be highly variable. 4. The general safety profile remains good in usual dietary doses. Most side effects are mild and temporal. In conclusion, ginger can be a wonderful natural tool for health, but only if used right. Don't fall into the trap of thinking more is always better. Stop eating ginger in overly concentrated, raw or excessive ways. Instead, use moderate amounts, dilute it, combine it with food, and always think about your own health conditions. If you're unsure, consult a medical professional before making large changes. That way, you enjoy the benefits without the hidden risk. If you found this video helpful, please do not forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with a friend or family member who needs it. Until next time, stay healthy, eat healthy. I'll see you in the next one, and I love you. Bye for now.